Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to multiply any two-digit number by 11. So first let's start with this example. 26 multiplied by 11 equals. So first separate it up into 3 bars. Write 2 on one and 6 on the other one. So it's spread out like this. So we're going to add them up. 2 plus 6 equals 8. So 8 is the middle part. And here is your answer. The answer is 286. Now let's do a little tricky one. 57 times 11 equals, same thing, 5, 7. Now add them up. 5 plus 7 equals 12. Write 12 over here. Now this is not the answer because the answer should be 3 digits. Now look at the 5 and the 1. 5 plus 1 is a 6. So you need to add them up if your answer of the addition in the numbers digits are bigger. So the 5, let's turn it into a 6 now. The 5. And our answer is 627. Now, I am going to also do another example which is even more tricky. The main thing you have to know for this step is 91 times 11 is 1001. 91 times 11. Not other factors, mostly because we don't need to use them. Like 143 times 7 is 1001, which is actually true. You don't have to study all about that to do the 90s and the 11s. Now we're going to do another equation in the 90s. It is 97 multiplied by 11. You know that 91 times 11 is 1001. So, the easy step. 4 parts. Now, here comes the tricky part. So, you have to do this now. So, 7 times 1 is 7. And now, it's not really like this. It's 91 times 11, which is 1001. 1 plus the other number which we use. So 7 times 11, or 6 times 11, yeah. 6 times 11, not 7, because it's 91. Take the last digit of the number, which is 7 over here, minus 1. 6 times 11, easy, 66. Then add it on to here. 1067. So your answer will be 1067. Or write the comma if you want to. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.